the door, and then the magic spell they have kicked me out because I'm lawful good.
And we have started the recording again. We're at 5 seconds. Yeah, okay, so Reinhardt slammed through the doorway and then got bitch slapped out of it by some mysterious, mystical force and took some damage. So what are you going to do?
Good question. I guess I'm gonna just walk through the door then.
What's your alignment?
Something?
Good answer.
I need lawful, neutral, or chaotic, plus good, neutral, or evil. So lawful good through chaotic evil.
Do you not know?
I mean, the good news is that I'm neutral good.
I know, I'm just... Yeah, I'll just be neutral good.
Neutral good. Okay. You need to make a will save.
Okay. Okay. Ooh, that's interesting. Yeah. Very interesting. There we go. Just, there we go. You see it. It's
35.
35?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. You, Well, it doesn't kick your ass. Let's see. Okay. You feel yourself trying to enter. You feel this force trying to force you out. And you feel this burning sensation on your skin as it's trying to push you outward the spell, but you're able to resist it, and you're able to get through the barrier. Yeah. You take 12 dice 6 damage halved.
Oh.
So that's 6 die 3?
No, he's going to roll 12 dice 6, and then he's going to half the total, and you're going to take that much damage.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
That's more than I rolled. That's more dice than I took.
I rolled 40 damage, and it gets halved. You take 20 damage. What's your total hit points right now?
90.
90. Okay.
So I'm at 70 right now.
You are at 70. So you can feel it. You can feel it kind of burning your skin, but your will is strong. You push through, and you're on the other side, and it stops hurting you, and it cannot push you out. So Zin has made it to the other side. Okay, Bodok is being carried romantically by Spider-Man, so he can't do much. So Bodok is going to hold his action to make friends if attacked, and Spider-Man meanwhile web slings all the way to the door, and is in front of the door. Okay, hold on. Okay, Spider-Man tries to web sling through said door. He's chaotic neutral. And Bodok is chaotic evil, if I recall. So, Bodok is completely unaffected by this. But Spider-Man does need to make a will save.
Wonderful, Bodok.
Yeah.
I told you Dor was friend.
Dor is friend. Alright, so Spider-Man web slings in. And, 29. Spider-Man makes it. Spider-Man takes 6 dice 6 halved. Let me take a look. He takes 6d6 halved, yeah. Okay, 15 divided by 2. Spider-Man takes 7 damage. Alright, so... I should be at 446. So Spider-Man web slings in, and the symbiote bubbles across his body as he wills himself through, and he lands, and he's kind of clutching his side and sets Bodok down. Bodok is confused. It's like, what is wrong, friend Spider-Man?
No.
He's inside the door. Nadar, what are you gonna do?
Everyone's in?
Yeah, the vrocks are 120 feet away from you. Wait, no.
Vrocks
No. The vrocks are 40 feet away from you.
I will now, since I noticed that the rocks are far,
Yeah.
and I can get in the building,
Right.
and everyone is pretty much in the door.
Right.
Who's all out of the door?
You and Devdin. And Reinhardt, actually.
Okay.
You, Devdin, and Reinhardt got ass kicked out of the building. Well, Reinhardt got ass kicked out of the building, but it's you, Devdin, and Reinhardt.
I
Yes.
will
I want to
rush
ask for
to...
clarification.
Yeah.
Sorry. So, since I'm complete opposite orientation, or what's it called? Orientation, I guess?
Alignment.
Or alignment.
Yeah.
Complete opposite alignment from the caster.
Right.
Does that mean I just take bonus damage, or
You take 12d6 damage if you make the save like Zin did. You'll actually take 12d6 halved. And the problem is like you keep failing the save, so it keeps ass kicking you out of the it keeps hedging you out. So in addition to damaging you, it hedges you out. Yeah.
I just wasn't sure how alignment actually plays a role in that.
I may have been doing it wrong earlier when this was happening in Sith Morcane. But, okay, so Zin is actually, he's neutral, like, you said you were neutral good, right, Zin?
Yeah.
Okay, she's
Yeah.
chaotic evil. So he's both different, like, in terms of alignment, he's not the polar opposite of her like you are, but he is different to her in both the lawful chaos axis and the good evil axis. Neutral is still different from chaotic, and good is naturally different from evil. So that's why if he had failed the save, he would have gotten kicked out too, and have taken 12d6 damage. Instead, he got 12d6 halved.
Okay.
So people that are the same as her don't have to make a save at all. People that are different with one half have to make a save.
Okay.
But yeah.
I will go ahead and rush to Nadar and... Or not, I am Nadar.
Yes. You're going to rush to yourself.
I'm going to rush straight to Devdin and... I keep forgetting everyone's
Reinhardt.
character's name. I'm going to rush to Devdin and Reinhardt's aid
Okay.
and pick them up. As in, like, help them to their feet.
Okay, you help Reinhardt
I'm
to
on
his
my
feet.
feet.
Devdin's on his feet.
I help Reinhardt to his feet and go, we have to get inside this building quickly. And I also tell them it would be good if we could take care of these little issues now and deal with them as soon as possible.
Agreed.
Okay.
I say we just try to run inside this door real quick.
The door is broken off of its hinges.
Well, tough
There-
guy seemed we couldn't get past the door.
They're going
While
to
you're
go
having
in.
this lovely conversation,
when-
the vrocks fly towards you and are now right in your face. But that's all they can do. Devdin, what are you going to do?
I'm gonna
Wait, where are they?
They are now right in front of you. But
I've ready my
have not-
action. I have a ready action.
Yes, but they haven't attacked yet, so it doesn't trigger. They're in melee with you.
If they
I turned-
a
Rules
ready
lawyer,
action isn't
rules
that-
lawyer like a douche.
I would like to turn to the rocks
if you were
and
to be attacked.
They have not
Huh?
attacked you
I
yet.
would like to turn to the rocks.
Oh, okay.
I'll
Yeah.
turn to the rocks and say, foolish of you to walk within hammer distance.
Devdin, it's your go.
Devin attempts to walk inside the building.
Okay, what's your alignment?
Neutral evil.
Neutral evil. Okay, you need to make a will save.
Eight?
Total?
Ooh. Yeah?
Okay, you try to walk in the
Ow.
building and are bitch slapped out of it by a force that deals 666 damage to you.
Ow!
You take 17 damage. What's your max?
212.
212. Alright. You're at 195.
Yup.
Okay, let me double check something.
You said these things are in melee with us, right?
Yes, they are. You've been knocked on your ass. There's nothing you can do. Reinhardt, what are you gonna do?
Oh, I can't bam. Damn it.
Yeah, you don't have your
There's
yeah.
there's 3 of them, right?
Yep.
Can I help him to his feet and still attack, or would that be my entire turn?
If you go over to aid him, that would be your entire turn.
That's what.
If you were gonna aid him, it would be your entire turn.
Hmm. There's 3 of them, correct?
Right. To hell with the drow. The vrocks should be the bad guys at my games.
Why can I not?
I mean, they can fly. That's already an advantage.
Mhm.
Let's make a multi-attack on them.
Okay. Swing away.
Sorry, I couldn't hear y'all for a minute. I didn't know what happened.
It's okay. No, he's Reinhardt is going to swing. Is going to make a multi-attack with his hammer on the vrocks.
Good.
Start smacking vrocks.
First one is 23.
Hit.
Second one's 17.
Miss. You manage to hit one once. Which one are you hitting? There's one looks a little bit more perturbed than the other one. Like he's got a bigger bruise on his head.
Are any of them close to Are any of them close to Devin?
I mean, they're close to all of you.
Okay, but
They're
there's
they're
not
lined
one
up in a
that's
line of
particularly
3.
Okay, they're not particularly aimed at anyone.
No.
Alright, then just the one that looked
Right.
more perturbed, as you would put it.
Yes.
Alright, and damage is 2d12s plus 5 base, and
Are you gonna hit the one that's got like a bigger bruise on his head, or are you gonna hit one of the other 2?
the one that has the bigger bruise.
Okay. All right.
26 damage.
26 damage. Okay. It's reduced by 10. It takes 16. So... Okay. Okay, you thunk him in the head with his hammer, and bah! And he falls out of the air and lands on his feet. And he's bleeding out the side of his head and glowers at you like a big Skeksis. Zin, what are you gonna do?
Okay, so I'm inside the door, right?
Right.
Okay, so what is surrounding me?
Friends?
Like-
Loved ones?
No, I mean
Bodok?
like
The warm embrace of
building-wise.
Bodok.
God, okay. check. Yes. Like I meant like, what can I see? Like,
I
cause
mean,
I'm inside
Bodog's
the door, I'm
eyes.
like,
You Bodok's beautiful gaze, which you just kind of sink into and get consumed by the darkness. You fall into the sunken
No.
place, and all you can see is Catherine Keener looking at you with a tea glass.
dear God.
Get out, Chris! Get out! I told you shouldn't have gone to that house. Told you shouldn't have gone to that damn house. I'm TS motherfucking A. I handle shit. Consider yourself handled.
Oh, good God.
Okay. Okay, you see, Devdin, Reinhardt, and Nadar are stuck outside dealing with the Vrocks. Spider-Man and Bodok are with you. And you guys are safe.
Okay.
It really hurt going through that door, but you're good.
Yeah. Can I still hit them, even though I'm inside?
Yes, you have magic.
Probably.
You can see them,
Nope.
so you can cast spells.
You know, you're... The door is broken.
Yeah.
This is true.
Although you
Okay.
could mend the door closed and leave your friends there to die.
No, we're not doing that.
Then it's just Spider-Man and
doing
I
Bodok.
don't know.
Bodok will be your friend.
No, I don't know if he actually could. I don't know if he actually can do
I mean,
that.
he'd probably fuck it up somehow, but you know, I mean...
Yeah, that's probably true. I have confidence in myself at all.
Are you gonna look into Bodok's eyes?
No, I'm not gonna look into Bodok's eyes. I don't know what his eye. I know his eyes can probably kill me. So no,
It's just a saving throw.
no, I'm not taking that chance.
Your fortune's your highest save, right? Of course it is. As a sorcerer.
Yeah, no, I'm not doing it.
Okay.
Question. It
Not
should.
doing
It
it.
should
I'm
be.
tempted to do. I'm tempted to do that. That little
It should
weird
be
combo
your
that I
highest
had.
Which combo would be?
That weird combo that I had like 2 nights ago.
I can't remember anything.
Okay,
What
sure.
did you
Oh,
do
but
nights
you
ago?
got on to Ray for not remembering things.
But that's Davis. Davis deserves to be made fun of.
And you don't?
No.
I had this spectral hand vampire
Spectral
touch
hand. I remember this. Okay.
combo that I had.
You
Yeah.
would have to cast Spectral Hand first, and then on your next round, you could actually Vampiric Hand people with it.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Okay, you cast Spectral Hand, you create a ghostly hand in front of you.
Okay.
So, that's all you can do. Bodok.
Yep.
Bodok's dumb.
Bodok make friend with door.
Bodok is concerned about Bodok's friends who are being attacked by bird people that are not being very friendly. So Bodok run out triumphantly to help friends, because Bodok is chaotic evil and Bodok not affected by Forbiddence spell. So Bodok fine. So Bodok run up and Bodok punch Vrock in the dick.
Yes! I scream, yes! He's a friend from work!
Friend from work. Bodok have shitty rolls. Bodok roll 13. And
Bodok.
Bodok roll not high enough to hit AC of rock. So Bodok comes out.
Bodok's
Friend from
never
work.
supposed to.
Cool. Bodok comes in. Bodok runs out triumphantly next to you, Reinhardt, and takes a swing at the rock, but the rock ducks. And it's like,
Bodok is never.
what have you done to this?
Bodok is never supposed to actually hit anything.
Bodok is just
He's
here
just
for comic
there.
relief and moral support.
He's the mascot.
Spider-Man.
He's our
But
mascot.
Bodok is good. Bodok, good person.
Bodok, good person.
He is.
Bodok.
But he's just a mascot.
Spider-Man starts to speak like Bodok. Spider-Man might have become Bodok by accident. Spider-Man is going to do his web silence. He's basically going to shoot a bunch of web lines at the Vrock's mouths. Normally, this is basically will prevent them from talking, but also doing anything with their mouths, including their sonic screech, or their bite attack, or any type of move that they would do that would involve vocal somatic components. So unless they take a move,
Including blowjobs.
yeah, unless they take a move to remove from the mouth. So Spider-Man shoots a bunch of web lines and ties their beak shut. Two of the one that's the most wounded is going to take 2 of them if I manage to hit them all with it. So here we go. Web silence. Okay. And Josh really wants to talk and keeps on. Oh my God. Hold on. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. I almost wanted to join the call. Okay. First move. 43. Hit. Second move. 39. Hit. Next move. 32. Hit. Try. Oh my God. Oh my God. Shut the fuck up. I'm gonna put him on Discord.
For what?
Just so that he can talk while we're playing and stop being annoying me on the phone. It's probably a huge mistake. Anyway, I'll kick him out if I have to. 32. And 39. Okay, so I double web silence the one that's basically wounded. Oh my God! Shut the fuck up. You were amused in that you were an evocative player. I think he's drunk or something.
Then he does not need to be joining this Discord. I will go off on his stupid ass.
I cannot talk now.
I do not deal well with with fucking drunk people, Ray. You know this better than anybody.
Oh my God. I will read his tweets later. Okay, so he 2 double web silences on the one that's already wounded, and 2 more on the other ones. Their beaks are all sealed up, and they also it hits them in the face and kind of knocks them back a little bit. So the one that's already been wounded takes 44 damage. The other 2 take 22. Which, okay, it's actually, they reduce it by 10, so those 2 take 12. The other one takes 32 damage. I want to say, yeah, 32 damage. No, 34 damage. 34 damage. Oh my God, shut the fuck up. He just keeps going. Okay, fuck this. You know what? I'm reading his fucking shit on the air.
Oh no.
Yeah, no, we're doing this. I'm gonna embarrass his ass. Okay, thumbs up. You're asleep. Probably not, but I want to apologize. I didn't mean to delay gameplay. I done into this different world. I say it's cool, still playing, and it's entirely trashed by their apathy. I have to railroad so hard. No adventurous spirit. I think he's talking about these other players. Get on Discord. You were amused in that you were a evocative player. You seek forward motion, but I always think you don't feel out your character. I'm like, I cannot talk now, or don't express it. Like you can't just shriek. You have to see why she's feeling fat and her life is falling apart. And then he gives me a little face, which is like the 2 T's, and like and a mouth, so he looks annoyed. So yeah, there we go. I'll deal with that later. Like it's just been like a year and a half, and we'll fucking do Dents again. So. Oh fuck me, he's here. All right, sorry, dude. He's coming in the call.
Nope. I'm muting myself.
Okay. All right. I don't know if this is a good idea or not. Let me damage these monsters first. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So, the one vrock that's already wounded, his mouth is tied up and he looks kind of woozy. The other two are just their beaks are tied down. Before we continue further, let's put it to a vote. Do you guys mind, like, yay or nay? Do you guys mind having Malmoto join the call?
I will vote last.
Would rather not have the game interrupted.
Okay.
I have no idea who this person is. I'm gonna abstain.
Okay. Alex?
Yeah, this isn't my call. I don't know him.
Nick?
This is gonna seem really fucking rude.
Uh-huh.
When are you not?
And that's a fair point. I don't like him.
Okay.
And personally, I'm not going to have someone in a chat with me that I know will interrupt the game, ask why he's not playing, try to get involved in something that will disrupt the game and stop enjoyment for everyone else.
I'm outnumbered 2-1. Okay, fair enough. All right. Let me just message him real quick.
Yep.
Look, we're playing a game. Let us finish this, then you and I can talk.
Okay, we'll talk in a bit, but we're still playing. There, is that tone?
Yeah.
All right, rock and roll. Okay, so Spider-Man has webbed up the mouths of a couple of these rocks and knocked them back a little bit. Who's next? Nadar, it's your move.
Okay. They are in range of us, right?
Yes.
In range?
Okay. How many of them are left?
There's 3. There's the number that they started with.
Alright, I'm going to swing at the... Okay, where... how many of them are damaged?
All 3 of them are damaged, but one in particular is, like, really, really woozy. Okay, this is a cute little message he sent though. Punish me, senpai. I've been bad. Kaya, with a bunch of hard eyes.
That is disturbing and disgusting.
Yes.
He's a sinner.
No.
He is a sinner.
Now, I'm going to go ahead and essentially swing with my great axe
Okay.
at the closest one to us.
All right. You may swing away.
A 25.
25 hits.
Alright, wonderful.
And your axe is good, so it cuts through the damage reduction, so don't worry about that.
That's fine.
I take it you're hitting the most weakened one, right?
The one closest to us.
Okay. All right.
Doesn't matter.
All right.
It is taking 50 damage.
They did. Oh, okay. Is that minus 19? How do you hit it?
I'm going to swing straight for its chest.
You swing straight for its chest. Your axe plops it into its chest with a sickening thud. It tries to gasp, but its mouth is sealed. You pull your axe out, and as it starts gurgling in its death rattle, it fades away as it's vanished away. So one of the rocks is dead.
Second
Just
swing.
imagine
Yeah.
some guy just strolling along, and this thing just appears in front of him, gurgling in his death throat.
Yeah. Well, mind you, it's someone
29.
hit.
Alright.
Yeah. Don't be pleased.
He just fucking wants to talk tonight. Jesus Christ. He just waits like fucking 9 months to fucking interact with us again. Jesus. Unless it's politics shit.
Basically.
Yeah.
And only until you stop agreeing with it.
Yes.
53.
Is that how much damage you deal?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, how do you attack this one?
I'm going straight for the chest again.
You plow into its chest. It's still standing. You pull out, it clutches its side, and its body fades away.
Okay. And then, because level 20, I get my third attack.
Okay.
$27.
27 hits.
Wonderful. $53.
53 damage. Okay. Okay. How do you attack this one?
I'm going to just go for the neck.
You chop into its neck. Chops the neck. You almost sever its head. It clutches the side of the neck and glares back at you, and then fades away. Killed and banished one. Banished the other two others. The Vrocks have been banished back to their home plane. Congratulations. You defeated the 3 Vrocks. Congratulations. However, you are still outside the gate.
Bodok, are you okay?
Bodok is fine. Bodok was worried that they were not being friendly, so Bodok tried to stop them from being unfriendly, but Bodok was unable to punch them in the dick. Bodok tried punching them in the dick, but it did not work.
It's okay, Bodok. Some battles are not meant to be fought. Some are. And then sometimes you gotta hit people in the dick, I understand.
Sometimes you have to hit people in the dick. This is what his Bodok has always said.
Why y'all have
Absolutely.
conversations?
Yeah.
Night came.
Yeah.
Time for us to go into this castle and kill whoever is sitting on that throne.
Yeah. Good luck getting through there, buddy. Some people are having trouble.
Hmm.
But I welcome you to try.
Bodok could
Okay,
turn
I
all
start
3 of
walking
you.
through.
Bodok could turn all 3 of you into other Bodok, and then you can walk through like Bodok can.
That'll take too long.
Nadar, you have to make a will save, or in your case, a wisdom save.
Lawful neutral.
Yeah, you still have to make a save.
That's fine. It's just a will save.
Yes, or in your case, a wisdom check.
Which would be a wisdom saving throw for you.
Okay, cool.
For God's sake, what is he fucking doing?
Okay.
This is super fucking annoying.
24.
Okay, that is not high enough. You try to walk in, boom, you hit something and are knocked out of the way, and you're gonna take 6d6 damage.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna frickin' like.
Still talking, huh?
Yeah, he's annoying the fuck out of me. Yeah. You take 22 damage. What's your max health?
300.
Okay, you are at 278. As
Yep.
it shunts you outward and you take damage. Hold on a second. I'm gonna frickin' like. I'm sick and tired of this shit. I wrote, dude, I'm trying to run a game. Please stop messaging me. I will talk to you when I'm done.
That's a good way to put it.
Yeah, because he's fucking writing me a goddamn novel here, and apparently really super fucking wants to talk, and he's being rude. And I don't appreciate it.
You know what you could do?
Yeah?
Could just mute his notifications.
I could, but I don't want to fucking do more complicated shit right now. And he should fucking know better. Alright. You've been shunted outward. What are you gonna do?
I'm going to try again.
Okay.
Is it possible he's just trying to hit on you?
Possibly, I don't know. He might be high right now.
Say
26.
26. You made it. Now, you're still going to take damage. You feel like it trying to push you out and it's burning your skin. But this time you're able to actually get through. So you take 6 dice 6 divided by 2.
Cool.
Say Zen.
Yeah.
Think you could dispel this barrier?
Okay.
Probably.
You
Oh, I
take
have.
Nadar.
I have that
Nadar.
spell.
You take 14 damage. You are at 264.
Oh, good God.
Yeah.
You mind giving it a go and seeing if you can take this barrier down so we can get through?
Sure.
Why? This is so much fun.
Are you a fucking masochist or something?
Are you going to cast Dispel?
No, that was...
Yeah, I'm gonna cast the spell magic.
Okay. Let's see.
That's what I was going to do.
What caster level are you?
60?
You attempt to cast
Yeah.
Dispel Magic on the Forbiddence effect. You're casting, and your Dispel Magic fails.
Mm.
He doesn't roll.
You could try making a no. The way it rules, Dispel Magic does not dispel a Forbiddance effect unless the Dispeller's level is at least as high as your caster level. And not to metagame, but he's not high. He's not high enough level to dispel it.
So why do I have to roll then? Is it because I'm not an actual caster?
No, it's he's trying to use the Dispel Magic ability.
Yeah. No, I have that too.
You could try it. Well, wait, you're level 22. Yeah. Okay. You
This is caster
you
level.
never you didn't say you were casting Dispel Magic.
It's his caster level, which is going to be lower than his character level.
Oh shit! Hang on. Does
Do I
not
have a caster level?
Dispel Magic does not dispel the Forbiddance effect. The Dispeller's level is at least as high as your caster level. Yeah, but didn't he do this way back in Sith Arcane and he actually fucking stopped it because he was epic level?
Yeah,
Yeah.
He did it with some sort of
That's fine,
spell
Master.
ability.
Yeah, go for it, man.
it is. It's one of my paladin spells, yeah. That's
Yeah,
what
go
I'm
for it. You are higher level than her.
asking. I'm level 27. I would hope I'm not higher than her.
Yeah,
Otherwise
you gotta
it's
role
not
play. You gotta
paladin.
role play it like you did before, though. You gotta like show the power of Chord.
Alright. So, wait. We killed all the rocks? Or
Yeah, the
no?
Vrocks are all dead.
Yeah.
We're not even really doing turns
Alright.
anymore because it's just a matter of like getting in the door now.
Yeah, this is just
I'm
trying to get in the door.
I'm gonna turn around. I'm gonna look at the door. I'm gonna eye it up and down.
Mhm.
Hammer time. I'm gonna swing my hammer as I'm passing through the doorway.
Okay, you essentially are
Favorite.
you are
Big.
channeling
Yeah.
the might of Chord into your hammer and doing a Dispel Magic with
Yeah.
your hammer. You strike the field
Yes.
of the forbidden spell. It shatters through this initially invisible field that becomes tangible. It shatters in a course of light energy just strikes across the entirety of the entire castle, and it just is shunted away. The field is gone. You pass through easily.
That's what I thought.
Yeah.
That hammer's supposed to be able to dispel shit.
It's hammer time.
Reinhardt's just a badass. That's what he does.
No, I asked him that. I in character.
Oh. I turn to look at you. When it's hammer time,
He prays to a mighty god from my world known as MC Hammer, who's too legit to quit. 90s references, anyway. This is why Deadpool's more
for
popular.
the record, that's my image of Chord.
Yes.
That's my image of Chord.
Just MC Hammer is prime.
Now, not to be like that guy, but like I do have to work at 11 in the morning.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if y'all want to keep going, I do have to find a way to not continue with you.
No, we can stop soon.
Yeah, we'll stop.
Who's who wants to keep going? Who's done for the night?
I mean, if everyone's done for the night,
I mean, hey, we got through the door.
Okay.
yeah.
So okay.
This is as good as stopping point.
So you're telling me
Whereas
that I
in the
have.
previous one.
So you're basically saying that I have to deal with the drunk Malmoto all by myself, is what you're telling me.
No, you and me could do the review of the new, No, we have a review to do, remember, Peeler?
That's true, we do. Okay, but like game-wise, we're done for the night.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You have
We're
made
probably
your
not
way.
going to find as good a stopping point as this.
You have made your way through Maramidra. You have defeated Agoniste the Cinnabite once again. You brutally murdered a completely innocent lawful evil imp. You managed to sort of befriend
Oh yeah, I
Infernal.
forgot about that.
You sort of befriended an Infernal, and you defeated 3 Vrocks, and you have made your way into the city. Now you can venture further into Castle Maramidra. Thank you for joining me, folks. Join us next time. Hopefully we'll have Darkwolf's character ready by then, and we should be to go. And hopefully.
Oh, and by the way,
Yeah.
Stay tuned for a lovely review.
Yes. And we might get, I don't know, Malmoto might join us, I don't know. Like, if he could just stop talking to me about politics and the environment for 5 minutes. Yeah, this is the Dread Pirate signing off. Say goodbye, everybody.
Come on.
Good night,
Only
everyone.
one Infernal? We can do
Goodbye.
better than that.
Yeah.
Came to Kraken. We can do better than that.
That's true. Okay. And I'm stopping the